Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to show which number is larger, either 3 plus square root of 5 or 3 times square root of 3. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here are our numbers. Let's go ahead and square both of these numbers. I'm going to square this one and square this one as well. And here I have copied down this left hand side number over here, and let's take care of its square. And now let's recall this famous identity a plus b whole square. If I call this 3 as an a and this square root of 5 as b, and if we apply this formula, then this would be simplified as 14 plus 6 times square root of 5. So therefore, I am going to replace this left hand side number by 14 plus 6 times square root of 5. And now let's go ahead and simplify this right hand side number. 3 square is going to be 9, and then this square and square root undo each other, so that's going to be times 3. So 9 times 3 is 27. So therefore, I'm going to replace this number by 27. Now let's subtract 14 from both sides. This is gone. So we got on the left hand side 6 times square root of 5 versus 13 on the right hand side. And now let's go ahead and square both sides. I'm going to square this side and square this side as well. And now let's focus on this left hand side number. 6 square is going to be 36 times this square and square root, they undo each other. We got times 5. 36 times 5 is 180. So the left hand side number becomes 180. And now let's take care of square of 13, which is 169. And now we can see 180 is larger than 169. So therefore we conclude that this original number on the left hand side is larger than this number. So thus we conclude that 3 plus square root of 5 is larger than 3 times square root of 3. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.